Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So, this is how we use those Easter baskets to convert them to a Mother's Day basket or any gift occasion. I have these wood wall hangers that were left over from Valentine's Day that I didn't get a chance to use then, so I thought it would be fitting for this occasion now. So I attached it to the basket in the middle, and then I placed the Blessed makeup bag kit on top of it. And behind it, I placed a bear keychain, facial wipes, as well as a mirror. And that is a small wall hanging mirror. Something you can hang by the front door when you get ready to dart out, take that last look at yourself. I included some Everlasting Love body scrub as well as the body lotion and a loofah on this side. This is a very simple, inexpensive gift that packs a punch for Mother's Day. I topped this with a bow and wrapped it in cellophane. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Thank you all for your support. Be blessed and be a blessing.